Hello all, welcome to my channel Gold for You. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of invoice or bill in a gold purchase. There are few points which I want to share with you today. That is importance of invoice or bill in gold purchase, difference between estimate and invoice, important things to be present in the bill, and the problems due to no proper bill. Let's start with the importance of invoice. While purchasing gold, an invoice is very important to prove many factors which is related to gold and the customer. An original bill is used to prove the purity of the gold. That means whether your gold is 18 carat or 22 carat or 24 carat. A bill also proves the total weight of the gold and stones separately. Similarly, rate of the gold and rate of the stones separately. The invoice helps us to understand the making charge of our ornament purchased. The invoice or bill is the only proof that helps us to prove the transaction is done legally. That means if any transaction is done without a bill, that is an illegal offense. So, if you are doing any transaction from any jewelry without a bill, then you are also being a part of an illegal offense. The ownership of the ornament can be proved by using a bill. A bill is also used to prove that from which jewelry the particular ornament is purchased. A bill helps you to understand the paid tax details. Now we will see the difference between an invoice and an estimate. Invoice is the permanent bill, whereas estimate is a temporary bill. In invoice, the jewelry details like jewelry name, jewelry code, GST number, and the ornament details like purity of the gold will be mentioned. But estimate is a simple paper with no much information about jewelry and the ornament purity. In invoice, the transaction details will be printed, whereas in estimate, there will be no transaction details mentioned. Now we will see what are the important factors to be mentioned in the bill. Section and the rule of CGST rules 2017 should be mentioned. Then customer name, address and phone number should be mentioned in the bill. Then GST number and invoice number from the jewelry should be mentioned. Date and time of purchase should be mentioned. Rate of the gold for the particular day should be mentioned in 22 carat. Purity of the ornament or gold which you purchased should be mentioned in carat, whether it is 18 carat or 22 carat or 24 carat. An invoice should also contain the net gold weight, total stone weight, gold rate, stone rate, making charge, other payment details, discount details, taxable value, details of tax paid, CGST, SGST, IGST. If we do not have a proper bill for our ornament, we'll be in trouble in the below cases: exchanging and selling ornaments, breakage of ornaments, income tax related issues, theft cases, divorce cases. In exchange and selling, if we want to exchange or sell our ornament with a proper bill, then we can compare the weight of the gold, weight of the stone, and we can exchange without getting cheated. In the case of breakage of ornament, if you have the bill, then you can go to the same jewelry shop and you may get free service, and you can prove that that ornament was purchased from the particular jewelry. In case of income tax, if you have bulk weight of gold with you with no proper bill, then you have to pay some penalty. It may be some percentage of the total gold amount. If you have a bill, you might have already paid the tax, then you can prove that the tax is paid already. Now, in theft cases, if your ornament is snatched by somebody or robbed by somebody, then if you file a police complaint with the photocopy of the bill, the ownership of the ornament can be proved. Similarly, in divorce case, if your ornament is with your partner's family, Then, to get it back, you can file a complaint with the original bill of the ornament. So, you can prove that the owner is you. Hope this video will be useful for all of the Indians to know the importance of bill while purchasing gold. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.